Welcome back, mathematicians. In this lesson, we're exploring opposite integers, one of the first and most important ideas on the number line. Understanding opposites helps us describe direction, change, and balance, whether we're talking about temperature, money, or elevation. Let's take a look at this number line. Right in the middle, we have 0, our balance point. Everything to the right of 0 represents positive integers, and everything to the left of 0 represents negative integers. Positive integers like 1, 2, 3 are values greater than 0. They often represent things increasing or moving forward, like a rise in temperature or gaining points in a game. Negative integers like -1, -2, and -3 are values less than 0. They usually represent decreases or movement in the opposite direction, like losing points or going below sea level. Now, every positive integer has an opposite negative integer that's the same distance from 0. It's like a mirror image. For example, the opposite of 4 is -4, and the opposite of -9 is +9. Opposite integers go across 0 just like a mirror, equal distant and opposite side. Both 5 and -5 are 5 spaces away from 0, but one is to the right and one is to the left. So when you hear opposite integers, think of perfect balance, equal distance, opposite directions, and right across 0. Don't forget to like or subscribe and reach out in the comments if you have any questions.